Hello students, my name is Akash Raghav. In the last lecture, we have studied about reasons and benefits of demonetization. So again, we are starting with the features of demonetization. Okay, so what are the probable features that our government has kept in mind while launching this program? So let's start. First feature is, it is viewed as a tax administration measure. Okay, so this is the basic, the reason or the feature is tax administration. Okay, because you could say you will come to know about the financial prospect of the customer or the bank holder. Okay, cash holdings arising from declared income. So what is declared income? Declared income is something that you have income. Suppose you have black money. So what you will do is, government is giving you chances. They are saying that we will not say anything to you. You just come to the bank and you could say 50% money will be taken by the government and the rest will be given to you. Okay, this is the last thing. Initially it was like that. Okay, you could say if you have 100 rupees, so you will get 80, 20 will be kept with the government. So this was the scheme that people should declare their income. Okay, was readily deposited in the banks. So declared income was readily deposited in the banks. People also got chance, many of the people also got chance that okay, we are getting chance to deposit our unaccounted money and exchange for new notes. Okay, so you know that at the time 2000 rupee note was introduced by the government. Okay, and the people with black money had to declare their unaccounted wealth. So this is also equal to you could say black money and accounted wealth, and pay taxes at a penalty rate. So okay, penalty was there. The last penalty that I remember is that government at the last was saying that XYZ whatever date it is. So you could say that if you bring about 100 rupees as black money, will give you 50. Okay, so you could do multiple times. Okay, if you bring 1 lakh rupees, you will get 50,000 rupees. Okay, and that rest 50,000 will be kept by the government. Next is, it is also interpreted as a shift on the part of the government. Okay, so government was doing something indicating that tax aversions, okay, the people who are not paying taxes will no longer be tolerated or accepted. Because the thing is, now if a person has deposited money with the bank, so now he or she is in the reach of the government. Okay, so tax aversion will not be accepted by the bank or the government. And the third point is, it also lead to the tax administration channelizing savings. Channelizing means using savings. Okay, saving means all the money that government has get with the demonetization process, channelizing savings into formal financial system. Formal financial system is the money which has been with the banks as a result of demonetization. That money will be used to give loans and used in you could say developmental activities of the country. Another feature of demonetization is to create a less cash. That is a known point. Okay, a less cash economy. Channelizing means using more savings through the formal financial system. Okay, so they are saving money and they are using it through a good financial system. Google Pay, okay, Paytm money, okay, a lot of you could say online tools were there. And improving tax compliances. Okay, tax compliances means if a person is coming, you could say if he is giving all his monetary details to the government, so tax compliance can be put to that person. Government will say that now from the last time you are not paying taxes, but now today you have to pay the taxes. So he is improving, so the government is improving tax compliance. Okay, through there are arguments against this. Okay, so if we take this point, there are some arguments. This point, as digital transactions requires use of cell phones. Okay, so cell phone or smartphone has to be there for customers, and point of sale devices, point of sale machines or devices. So what it is, just remember, if you ever have you could say pay your petrol expenses through online app, so they have a system. Okay, they have a machines. So this machine is point of sale machine. Okay, so there is some sort of benefit associated to the petrol pump owner and also to the provider as well. Okay, for merchant means the person who is having a shop. For example, in my case, I have taken the example of petrol pump merchants. Okay, which will only work with internet. So internet connectivity has to be there, and it is you could say in India internet connectivity or the speed is not very good. Okay, do not you could say thought of plain areas, just think of mountain areas and all these places where the internet is not very much good. So this is all in this topic. Thank you.